I think it's important in this situation, in this time, to be together on stage, to do little thing, the smallest thing what we can do for Ukraine. I think this is the main goal for all of us. That's why we are here. That's why we are dancing tonight.
Olga è un'immagine molto forte per noi perché ovviamente è stata la prima ballerina che si è schierata pubblicamente contro il regime e quindi per noi averla questa sera è veramente un'ispirazione di coraggio.
My life is like upside down now, and I've never been in Italy and in this city actually, and I've never danced with stars like today, with world stars of ballet, and I'm so excited about it, and I don't know why it's with me happened. Because I'm really happy that I'm here and I can help and support my country for my dancing.
More gray, more blue. Oh, yeah, it's good.
I live in Bucha 5 years. It's my city. I know this city. I walk in this street. This photo what I see. I know this place. I know what is this.
How do you feel?
It's horrible. I can't think about this. It's really. It's like not in this world. It can't be true. But I know it's true in this, and we never forgive this.
Okay.
I've danced with Maria a lot of times already. We're working together since 16 years in one company, and we've danced a lot of premieres and different ballets, and we are really good friends and partners. We're supporting each other all the time, and especially right now it's very important to be both of us and to support and to show to the people that love, peace, art, support and help will save this world.
I love Ukrainian people. We all friends in the ballet world. We're all just dancers. There is no nationality, there are no different religion. We're just dancers. This is our religion.
Artists.
We are
That's right.
artists. So there are no borders in the art.
San Carlo